So this is errors. There is an MCQ. You have to give the journal entry which corrects the error. Read the question properly.
Okay. Lindelwa discovered that goods sold on credit to Zach $260 had been incorrectly credited to Zachary's account. Okay.
Okay. What should be the correct entry?
So the correct entry is Lindelwa that goods sold to credit to Zach.
So what is the correct entry?
So Zach is debited and sales is credited.
What did you do?
You put it in the, you credited Zachary's account.
Did Zachary credit? That means you did nothing wrong in the sales, right?
Yeah.
So this, I don't have to do anything. I'm going to reverse it.
So it'll be Zachary debit.
Rectification entry.
So Zachary debit, Zach debit, and suspense credit.
So option.
It's option B.
Okay. Ready. Let's do this one. You have to prepare the wrong reverse correct rectification and the suspense account. Okay.
Yeah.
So, come on. Read the question.
1 minute. The purchase returns journal was at the end of the financial year on 31st July 2014. Silas opened a suspense account with a credit balance of $70. Suggest why this was required.
The suspense account has a credit balance of how much?
70.
Okay, fine. Come on. First entry.
The purchase return journal was overcasted by $100.
So purchase return has what balance?
Purchase return normally has a credit balance.
Okay. So purchase return normal balance is credit. It is overcast.
Overcast means debit balance.
Opposite side. So purchase return will be debit and
suspense credit.
So which side of the suspense I will record this?
On the credit side.
What will I record?
Purchase return 100.
Okay, next one.
Carriage inwards of $195 had been debited to carriage outwards account. So the correct entry will be carriage inwards debit 195.
Okay.
The wrong is carriage inwards, carriage outwards debit. Reverse would be carriage outwards credit.
Okay.
So the rectification entry is carriage inward debit 195 and carriage outward credit 195.
Carriage
Inward debit 195 and carriage outward credit 195.
Okay. Next one.
The total of the analysis column for traveling expenses in the petty cash book $42 had not been transferred in the ledger. So this is partial omission. So in this it'll be the traveling expenses debit, petty cash book credit, right, miss?
No, you had to transfer it to the traveling expense account, right?
Yeah.
So you did not transfer it.
Okay. So it'll be petty cash book.
Traveling cash book traveling expense comes on the credit side, right?
Yeah.
And then you will transfer it to traveling expense account debit.
Yeah. So traveling expense debit, suspense credit.
Traveling expense.
Debit and suspense credit.
How much?
42.
Okay. Next one, read.
$420 to Amina, a credit supplier, had been debited to the account of Amira, another credit supplier. Miss, so 420 paid to Amina, a credit supplier, which is for this bank would be credited.
Yeah, bank credit and
Amina debit.
okay.
That's the correct entry.
Okay. So it had been debited to which account?
So the wrong had been it's been debited to Amira.
So you did Amira debit.
Yeah.
Did you do anything wrong in the bank?
No, so bank will be cut.
Okay.
And the reverse is Amira credit.
Rectification.
Rectification would be Amina debit 420 and Amira credit 420.
Any effect on the suspense?
No.
Okay. Next one.
The balance of petty cash book $150 had not been entered in the trial balance. This is again partial omission.
Okay.
So in this it'll be petty cash book will be credited and
petty cash book you did not enter in the trial balance. So petty cash book has what balance?
petty cash book has a debit balance.
So petty cash book will be?
Yeah, sorry, petty cash book will be debited and suspense will be credited by 150.
Petty cash would be debited and suspense would be credited.
Yeah.
Okay.
The last one is the total of the discount received column in the cash book, $181, has been debited to the discount allowed account in the ledger. Okay. So in this, the correct is discount received 181. So discount received is an income, so will be credited.
Okay.
Yeah, discount received credit 181.
What did you do?
You debited it to the discount allowed. So the wrong entry is discount allowed debit. Reverse will be discount allowed credit. So the rectification will be suspense debit. And discount allowed debit and discount received credit. Discount received credit and discount allowed credit.
Okay. Suspense how much debit?
Yeah, I'm telling you. Suspense is debited by 362.
362. 362.
Yeah.
Okay. So on the suspense debit, I will write discount allowed 181
and discount
received 181. Do the total of suspense account.
Yeah.
This is 362. How much is the credit side?
362. It's tallying.
Okay. So this is how we did a wrong reverse correct and rectification for silas sum. Okay.